Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your TikTok account is monetized or not. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is go to the top right, settings and privacy. Then you want to go to account and then switch to business account. Once you do the switch and you go back, you're going to see the TikTok Studio option. Now this basically allows you to get paid from lives, get money, and etc. You want to click on TikTok Studio, and once you're in, you potentially want to go to TikTok Shop for sellers and sign up if you're already not signed up with them. If you don't see this, that's most likely because it's not available in your country, so you just have to wait for it to come. But basically, if you see this screen, just sign up using your phone number or email. And if you go back under monetization and click on view all, you're going to see, are you able to be monetized? You will see your balance, your criteria, some programs for you, and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.